am the Nightwrencher. I drive a 1975 Dodge W100. I started this project back in 2018, and since then I've actually redone the truck twice. Right now we're on its third iteration with its new turbocharged 4.8 LS engine. It is backed by a Toyota R150 5-speed transmission, Toyota transfer case, Dana 44 front end, and a Dana 60 in the rear. I traveled just under 1,800 miles today to get to the No Name Nationals, so I'm really eager to see what these guys on the other side of the country can actually do. I basically tore down and redid the truck in the last 7 weeks, and I really haven't had a chance to work out all the bugs. I currently don't even have a two-step on the truck, so launches are going to be a little iffy. I really don't know how this race is going to turn out, but I've seen this car run and I might be able to get a handle on them.
Hey everybody, this is Big Mike from Big Mike's Hoopty Barn. This right here is the Blockbuster, and yes, it's an unfinished project, just like my buddy Unfinished Project. It's a 1951 Dodge Coronet Diplomat 2-door hardtop. I mean, she ain't much, but she's bare bones and she don't weigh nothing. For no reason whatsoever, I put the suspension out of a early 70s V body in it. It's got a bone stock 318 2-barrel, and I think it's going to smoke that little old green truck over yonder. I don't know. I guess we'll find out.
That first half of the race was actually really close. I was really nervous that I was going to lose to the old Mopar. By the 60-foot, Big Mike had a jump on me by about a car, and as we were getting to about 100 feet out, my truck started to build boost and started to catch up. Without the two-step, I can't really stage the truck properly, so that's probably why he had such a massive jump on me in the beginning, but either way, he put up a really good fight all the way to the end.
Well, at least I did smoke him off the line. And it still drives, so I can still drive it on the trailer. It was its first time out, my first time drag racing on the strip. How many more excuses do I need to say that I lost gracefully? So, man, I really appreciate the run though. It was fun. It was an awesome time out here at the No Name Nationals, man. I couldn't have asked for a better time. It was awesome. So, I really appreciate you being humble and racing with me and just being awesome. Y'all check out the Hoopty Barn. Come and see me, man. See what we got going on over there. We got more than just this.